Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Tamim. What's your full name?
My name is Ahmed Mehdi.
What should I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Ahmed.
Okay, Ahmed, can I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Okay, thank you. Now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about your hometown. Which part of your country do you live in?
Well, I live in Sylhet. It's located in the northeast part of Bangladesh, and it's considered one of the most important part of our country.
Okay. Is there much to do in your hometown?
Certainly, there are lots to do in my hometown, as it's a fairly big city. And for instance, if you want to hang out in the evening, you can visit the parks of our country to chill out and decompress yourself from the regular activities. And if you prefer the cultural activities, then in our hometown you can find some well-known museums and art galleries are available. Also, my hometown is famous for tea gardens. There are many tea gardens in my hometown. It attracts lots of people.
Okay. Let's talk about your daily routine. What would you like to change in your daily routine?
Well, usually I am busy with my job, so when I remain at work, I find it's quite difficult for me to maintain my work balance. And even I can't cook for myself, so I want to get some free time to relax myself and doing other activities. So if I get any chance, I would like to limit my working hour.
Are all your days the same?
No, obviously not, because at the weekends I get lots of time to doing everything, like usually like to going outside with my friend, and sometimes I like to chill out with my family. But during the weekday I remain at work from dawn to dusk.
Okay. Now let's talk about your health. Do you have any unhealthy habits?
Unfortunately, yes, because I do work until 9 p.m. and won't be back 10 p.m. And sometimes I often stay up late. Besides, I am quite busy with my job, so I don't usually cook for myself, and I eat ready meal instant.
Okay. In what ways do you try to stay healthy?
For staying healthy, I try to wake up early in the morning, and I love to take enough water for myself, and I usually go outside for doing some physical exercise, and which keeps my body and mind sound. And sometimes I like to visit other places because it helps me to reduce my stress.
Okay. What are the health benefits of playing a sport?
Well, I think there are lots of health benefits, such as physical and mental, because it's help us physically and mentally. By playing sports, I think it helps us build muscles and burn fat.
Mm-hmm.
Also, as a result, we can get a active life. And considering the mental aspects, I think that it helps us to reduce stress and improves our mood.
Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and I would like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you will have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say, and you can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is a paper and a pencil for making notes, and here is a topic. I would like you to describe a shop near where you live. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you. I'll let you know when the time is up. Can you start speaking, please?
Yes, sir. Well, I'm going to talk about a shop which is an ideal place for shopping, and it is situated in the center of the town and not very far away from my residence, and easy accessible for all the town people. And the name of the shop is Megamart. It is located on the second floor of Roseview Tower, and as it's a superstore, it sells daily. It sells all the daily necessities under a single roof. And this shop is very big in size and well decorated. Also, it well known among the majority of people of our town. And the shop is. And this shop is the best shop because of their good services, and all the items is available in this shop. Items including like clothes, then electronics and grocery products are available in this shop. And one of the most interesting fact is that the shop offer discount in all items if you are their regular customer, and they accept Visa card, Mastercard. If you have the Visa card and Mastercard, you get the special discount. Also, they are providing the services for you. And things as I have a Mastercard, and as is within my walking distance, I prefer to shopping over there. But I'm not a shopaholic. I go there 2 or 3 times in a month. But before any occasion or festival, I go there more often than usual.
Thank you. Can I have the booklet, the pencil, and the paper bag, please? You have been talking about a shop near where you live. Now I would like to discuss with you some general questions related to this topic. Let's talk about shops in general. How to attract more customers to a shop?
Well, there are many ways retailer can attract consumer to a shop. Firstly, they need to ensure the good products and service in a polite and friendly way, and then they can stick out a sign advertising a special offer outside the door to attract passing consumers. And of course, they need to focus more on marketing and the best use of social media marketing.
Okay. Do you think young people feel the same about shopping as old people?
Well, I don't think so, because young people are after fashion and anything new in market, whereas the old people are generally not after fashion. Also, the young people are more likely to buy product if the shop has an online shopping facilities, and they are more concerned about their shopping and their fashions as a social activity. And the old people are more likely to enjoy shopping for groceries. So I think that these are the ways they are different from each other.
Let's talk about local businesses. What types of local businesses are there in your neighborhood?
Well, in my neighborhood, there are lots of local businesses are available, such as there are different kind of shops, restaurant, hospital, and fitness center are available.
Do you think local businesses are important for a neighborhood?
Yes, I think so, because local business builds strong community engagement and social relationship, and it creates more job from local people, and local businesses ensure competitive markets and low price.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of the test.